Looking for a fast, smart, and reliable way to charge your electric vehicle? The JDMEX EV Charger Station, available now on Aliexpress, is the perfect solution for home or commercial EV charging. This powerful wall-mounted EVSE charger supports 16 or 32 amps and delivers 7.6, 11, or 22 kilowatts of power, depending on your setup. It's equipped with a Type 2 cable and complies with the IEC 62196 standard, making it compatible with most electric vehicles across Europe and beyond. Installation is simple and secure, whether you mount it in your garage or at a parking lot. Control and monitor your charging sessions remotely using the Smart app, allowing you to schedule charging, view real-time charging data, and even track energy consumption. Built for safety, the JDMEX charger includes advanced protection features like overvoltage, overheating, and short-circuit protection, ensuring your car is always charged safely and efficiently. Whether you're looking for a 7.6, 11, or 22 kilowatts EV charger, this unit offers flexible options to match your vehicle and power supply. Upgrade your EV charging experience with the JDMEX Wallbox EV Charger, combining speed, safety, and smart control in one sleek unit.